Good morning, dear students. Let us start the syllabus of organic chemistry. Firstly, we will study section A, and the chapter we will study is amines. So, what are amines? Amines are the nitrogenous compound. These are the nitrogenous compound which may be regarded as the derivatives of ammonia. Like the formula of ammonia is NH3. So these are the derivatives of ammonia. That means the three hydrogen atoms may be replaced by an alkyl group or an aryl group. So if we replace one hydrogen of this ammonia group by a methyl group, so this is methyl amine. Similarly, if we replace two hydrogen of the ammonia group by two methyl group, it is dimethyl amine. And if we replace all hydrogen of ammonia by 3-methyl group, it is trimethyl amine. It is trimethyl amine. Next topic is classification of amine. Classification. So we have three types of amine depending upon the substitution of hydrogen atom in this ammonia group. We have primary amine, second secondary amines, and third is tertiary amines. One more classification is that is quaternary ammonium compounds. So firstly we will study primary amines. What are primary amines? So primary amines are the derivative of ammonia in which one hydrogen atom of the ammonia group is substituted by an alkyl or aryl group. So the representation for an amine and primary amine is by the presence of amino group, that is NH2 group, and it is called amino group. So like we have an example in which one of the hydrogen of ammonia is replaced by this methyl group. It is methyl amine. It is methyl amine. And if we replace the one hydrogen atom of ammonia group by an aryl group, it will be like this, and this is called aryl amine, and it is aniline. Similarly, again one more example in which one hydrogen atom of the ammonia group is replaced by a benzyl group, and this is benzyl amine, and it is also called as aralkyl amine. Aralkyl amine. Next is secondary amine. Next topic is secondary amines. So what are secondary amines? In which two hydrogen atoms of the ammonia group is replaced by two alkyl groups or two aryl groups. So First example we will study is dimethyl amine, that is in which two hydrogen atom of ammonia group is replaced by these two methyl group. It is dimethyl amine and it is aliphatic in nature. If we replace two hydrogen atom of the ammonia group by phenyl group, the formula is like this. So this is diphenylamine and it is aromatic. We can have mixed secondary amines also, in which these two alkyl group substances may be different, like it is methyl and this is CH2 CH3, so it is again aliphatic and the name of this is methyl ethyl amine. Similarly, this is methyl ethyl amine. And again one more example in which one is an aromatic group and second one is an alkyl group. So this is N-methyl aniline, because this is aniline and one hydrogen atom, two hydrogen atom are replaced, one with the methyl group and the second one with the this is aniline in which one hydrogen atom is replaced by the methyl group. So it is N-methyl aniline and it is mixed aliphatic aromatic compound. So next are tertiary amines. What are tertiary amines? Again, the representations for the secondary amine is by imino group. Imino group, and that is represented by formula for secondary amine. It will be NH. For primary amine it is NH2, that is amino, and for secondary amine it is NH, that is imino group. Next is tertiary amine. What are tertiary amine? In which all the three hydrogen atoms of ammonia group are substituted by an alkyl or aryl groups. So the representation for this is like this, in which all three hydrogens are replaced. So this is tertiary nitrogen. This is tertiary nitrogen. For example, if we replace all the hydrogen of ammonia group by methyl group, so it is trimethyl amine. Again it is aliphatic. One more example, NCH3 CH3 CH2 CH3, so it is dimethyl ethyl amine. Again it is a mixed aliphatic compound. Next example, NCH3 CH3, so it is NN dimethyl aniline, in which the two hydrogen atoms of aniline group is replaced by the alkyl group. Next are quaternary ammonium compounds. What are quaternary ammonium compounds? In which all the hydrogen atoms of are replaced by the alkyl group, and it will be like a salt form, like CH3 4 N positive OH negative, or you can say it will be C2H5 4 N positive Cl negative. It is tetramethyl. It is tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide, and it is tetraethyl ammonium chloride. So this is again a classification of amines. Next, structure of amine. So like ammonia have the formula this NH3. Like ammonia, amines also have the similar structure like this ammonia. You know, the structure of ammonia is this. That is, the nitrogen here is sp3 hybridized, and the sp3 hybridized orbitals are directed towards the corner of a tetrahedron. Similarly, the amines are also the nitrogen atom of the amines are also sp3 hybridized, and the structure of this will be similar to the ammonia group. So it is sp3 hybridized orbital nitrogen atom, and again it is also a sp3 hybridized nitrogen atom. Now the bond angle in case of this ammonia group is 109.5 degree, but in case of amines it will be 108 degree. That is, it is greater than the angle of the bond angle is 107, sorry, it is 107 degree. In case of ammonia, the bond angle is 107 degree, but in case of amines it will be 108 degree. So the angle between this amine is 108, that is much greater than the ammonia group. The reason being, here there are the presence of bulkier groups, so there is repulsion, and that is why the bond angle is higher as compared to this, and it is the shape of these is pyramidal. So the actual shape is pyramidal, and due to this steric repulsion between these bulky group, the bond angle is higher in comparison to the ammonia. Next, nomenclature. Nomenclature of amines. So you know we have two systems, that is common system, and the second one is IUPAC system. In common system, the aliphatic amines are named by adding the word amine. जैसे कि हमने लास्ट ये स्टडी किया है अभी, इसमें मैंने आपको काफ़ी सारी नेमिंग कराई है, तो उसमें हमने क्या किया है, लास्ट में क्या वर्ड यूज़ किया है, अमीन. सो इफ वी टेक एन एग्जांपल लाइक दिस, So for in common name system, under common name system, the naming will be like this. It is methyl amine. Next example, CH3 CH2 NH2. So the naming is ethyl amine. So under common name system a word amine is used. Second system is IUPAC system. So in this type of system, the E word of alkane is replaced by amine. That is, for amine it is alkanamine. So this E is replaced by amine group. For example, CH3NH2. So this is methanamine. For this CH3 CH2 NH2, it will be ethanamine. So this is the IUPAC system in which the E is replaced by amine group. Next, secondary and tertiary substituted amines are named by nitrogen substituted amines. Like we have an example, NCH3HCH3. So this is a secondary amine. For this secondary amine under IUPAC system, the naming will be, it is N-methyl methanamine. Methanamine. It is N-methyl methanamine. अभी मैंने आपको बताया था, this is CH3NH2 is methanamine. So this is this. Next, if we take an example in which all the hydrogen are replaced, that is tertiary, then it is NN dimethyl methanamine. It is NN dimethyl methanamine. Also, secondary and tertiary amines are mixed amines. So in that case, the longest chain is taken as the parent chain, and that will belong to the primary amine. For example, if we have an example, CH3NH CH2 CH3. So इसमें हमारे पास जो longest chain होगी, that longest chain is taken, which belong to primary amine. So in this case, the longest chain is this. So this is N-methyl ethanamine. Similarly, you can do rest of the examples like this. In case of complex amines, if we deal with complex amines in which other functional groups are present, then the compound is named by using prefix. Amino, like N-alkyl amino or NN dialkyl amino. For example, we have an example CH3, CH2, 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 C, CH3, H, CH2, NH, CH3. So in this parent chain will be one is that which have a longer carbon chain, straight chain. So in this case the naming is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is what? This is hexane. Now the substrate. Here is 2-methyl 1, and the naming is, according to this, it is N-methyl amino. It is N-methyl amino, N-methyl amino hexane. Next these are all about the aliphatic amines. Next is aromatic amines. What are aromatic amines? These are the aryl amines. These are the aryl amines, and the first simplest aromatic amine is this, and this is what? It is aniline. It is aniline. In case of IUPAC system, the name for this compound is benzenamine. Sorry, it is benzenamine, but popularly it is known by the name amine, aniline. Now, if these hydrogen of the NH2 group is replaced, the naming will be like this. If one hydrogen atom of this aniline group is substituted, it is N-methyl aniline, or in this way it is N-methyl benzenamine. If we replace both nitrogen of this aniline group by 2-ethyl group, so it will be N-diethyl aniline, or it is N-diethyl benzenamine. So this is about the aromatic amine. Further, there are some compounds, and the naming for the compound is, if we have an example NH2 CH3, so it is what? It is orthotoluidine, or you can write is 1,2. It is 2-methyl aniline, or in this system it is 2-methyl benzenamine. One more example, NH2 OCH3, it is para anhydrine, or you can say it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4-methoxyaniline, or 4-methoxybenzenamine. 4-methoxybenzenamine. So you can do rest of the example in this way. Next are diaryl and triaryl amines. Diaryls and triaryl amines. For example, this NH, so the name of this compound is diphenyl amine, or you can say it is N-phenyl-aniline. It is N-phenyl-aniline, and it is again said by name N-phenyl benzeneamine. Similarly, if we replace all the hydrogen atom by a phenyl group, so it is triphenylamine, or it is N-N-diphenyl-aniline, or it is N-N-diphenyl-benzeneamine. So this is the about diaryl and trialkyl amine. Next is side chain aromatic amines, or you can say alkyl amine. In this we have an example, side chain. So NH2, and this is the side chain, this is benzyl. So the name for this compound is benzyl amine, or you can say it is phenylmethenamine. It is phenylmethenamine. Phenylmethenamine. Again, one more example, CH2, NH2. So this is alpha and this is beta. So it is beta phenyl ethyl amine, or you can say it is 2-phenyl ethanamine. Next topic is salts of amines. So what are the salts? In these words, these are named by replacing the word amine by ammonium. So इसमें हम amine word को change करते हैं by word ammonium. और अगर हमारे पास एरोमेटिक है तो एनिलीन जो वर्ड है उसको हम रिप्लेस करेंगे बाय वर्ड एनिलीनियम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी हैव एन एग्जाम्पल CH3 NH3 plus Cl negative, so it is methyl ammonium chloride. One more example, NH3 plus Br negative, so it is anilinium bromide. So this is all about the introductions of amines, their classifications, and then the nomenclature of amines. In the next video, we will study about the preparations of amines. Thank you.